My name is Chiara Felinadya. I am 21 years old and I am from Jakarta, Indonesia. I am an undergraduate student at Bandung Institute of Technology in Bandung, Indonesia. And recently I did a research project about information credibility and online engagement of digital news brands on Instagram. This topic has piqued my interest since nowadays we have integrated all of our activities into the digital world, and whenever we want to get some information, some news, is through social media platforms. And based on a preliminary research that I have conducted prior to this research project, there are people who have concerns about credibility level of social media platforms. This is because the digital world is very open with really easy access for a lot of people, and therefore the chances for false or hoax news and information are also high. Therefore, I chose this topic to further assess and look for its credibility level and how it can also impact the usage of the platform through the online engagement itself. So yeah, that is the brief of my research project. Okay, so ever since the pandemic happened, a lot has changed into human lives socially. As I said before, the digital world has become even more evolved and more people are also very involved digitally. This phenomenon has come to my attention, and it has been my very motivation to further enhance my knowledge and about the digital world, especially through doing this research project of mine. By also participating in a conference, I can also learn and gain more knowledge through information sharing by other researchers across the world, not only about the digital world, but also in various topics that can be very beneficial to a lot more people. So yeah, that is my motivation. Okay, I find online conferences to be very suitable for me, and I can also receive lots of benefits through online conferences. First of all, it is because of the easy accessibility, where online conferences can break down geographical barriers, making it easier for people from all over the world to participate. And this increased accessibility promotes various diversity and allows individuals who might not have been able to travel to a physical conference before. And secondly, it is very cost effective, where online conferences have lower registration fees compared to physical ones, as they don't require expenses for venue booking, catering, travel, and also accommodations. This cost effectiveness can make conferences more accessible to individuals or organizations that has limited budget. And lastly, the flexibility of self. So online conferences, I think they often offer more flexibility of accessing recorded sessions and then enabling participants to watch presentations at their very convenient place and for better time management, actually. Therefore, I think online conferences is a very convenient choice for a lot of people, and it can also gain a wider range of people from across the world. Yes, of course, I would very recommend and suggest my friends and colleagues to attend an online conference. I would share and tell them about my experiences in attending online conferences, specifically from Eurasia, and let them know that it is a very exciting and interesting thing to experience and that they should also try attending one. As a first timer attending an online conference, I can say that it is a very good experience. So actually, I don't have that very significant feedback because I think the online conference that Eurasia has conducted previously has already met my expectations, and therefore I would want and I would wish for Eurasia to keep up and maintain the current performance and qualities so that more and more people would look up to Eurasia and also be more eager to attend and participate in future conferences. So yeah.